In this lecture, we are going to discuss about fatigue of engineering materials. Fatigue, in the context of engineering materials, refer to the phenomenon of structural failure that occurs when a material or component is subjected to repeated or cyclic loading. Even when the applied loads are well below the material's ultimate strength, fatigue failure typically occurs over time as a result of accumulation of small, cyclically applied stresses or strains rather than a single large load. To mitigate the fatigue failure, engineers employ various strategies. Fatigue testing and analysis play a crucial role in understanding how materials and components will perform under cyclic loading conditions, allowing engineers to design safer and more reliable structures and products. Thank you.